Also press this bell icon.
Para lumabas sa kahon. Huwag mo na ipagpabukas ang magagawa ngayon. Kung nais may mangyari, kumilos ka't gumalaw. Sikaping mahawakan ang iyong tinatanaw. Kaya ang mapigilan ng mga humahadla. Gawing makapuluhan ng iyong para lumabas sa pangarap ay yan ang...
Number one you should know is you should know exactly your product knowledge of the vitamins you're selling. The very foremost tip that I will give you, number one, is personality. It doesn't mean that when you go out in the field, you're full of makeup, you're dressed like you're going to a party. It's not that. When you present yourself because you are representing yourself as a vitamin person, then it is expected of you to be very neat, nakapaligo, hygiene is number one, nakaayos, yung talagang when you present to a client na karuro-respeto ka, kapani-paniwala ka, hindi yung nagmumukhang galing ka sa diarrhea at nagbebenta ka ng vitamin, tapos sabi, ay alam mo, nagbebenta kami nitong vitamins, but you look so sick. You have to look at least healthy. Kaya napaka-importante ang aura. Remember, pag nagbenta ka ng vitamins, sabihin mo, Sir, Ma'am, may bago kaming produkto ngayon. Thanks to Arjur, nakalabas kami ng mga essential vitamins na kailangan sa panahon na ito. Lalabanan natin itong COVID na ito. COVID lang ito. Kaya natin ito. Now, Ma'am, we are presenting to you our Immuvit C and Immukira. This will lead you a long life and a better life and a happy life at the end. So, number two, you are the best endorser. When you sell to your customers, make sure that you have already used the product or else you have nothing to share. What will you do with your vitamin? Pag tinanong ka ng client, kumusta naman ang effect sa'yo ng vitamin C na ininom mo? O ng Immukira na ininom mo? Sabi na, teka ma'am, hindi pa ako nakainom nun. Bakit nagbebenta ka? So, patay na ang benta mo doon. Okay? Number three, believe in the product. When you have taken the product and you have experienced the desired effect of the product, then you can share the benefit of the product. Paano ka makakashare ng experience mo kung ikaw mismo hindi ka nag-believe sa product kasi hindi mo nagamit eh. Nagtipid ka, tapos magsasalita ka ngayon na ito ang galing nito. Paano kung i-question ka ng i-question ng client? Because remember, this is not perfume. This is being taken orally. It gets into your body. Hindi ito sa labas lang. Kaya kailangan ma-experience mo so that you can spare your experience to the clients or to your patients you're getting into. Okay? Now, in this case, dito na ang chance mo ma-share pati ang negosyo natin sa Arjuna Food Supplements. Because this is the time na kailangan nila kung bakit uminom sila, bakit nagbebenta ka ng vitamins, because you are concerned, you have to show concern on them na kailangan nila uminom ng vitamins at this time. This time is the most right time. This is the best time to sell vitamins. This is the best time to promote our vitamins kasi ito ay nagpo-prolong ng life. Nga pala, pag sinabi mong vitamins, the word vita means life. Vitamins means they are supplements. They are factors that would prolong life. Kaya vitamins. Okay? Supplements. They are the ingredients. They are the nutrients. Just like vitamins. The nutrients that would prolong life. Pag sinabi mong supplements, they are the nutrients that you cannot afford to eat all in one serving or during the day. Lahat yun ay nasa isang kapsula. Supplements, nagsusupply sa katawan mo ng necessary mga nutrients na hindi mo kayang kunin sa lahat ng pagkain. But in the form of capsule or supplements na tinatawag, you can now enjoy to take the supplements para dugtungan and para to have a longevity of life, and so that you can enjoy that health is really important among all other things. There are wealthy people in the world, but they are not healthy. That's why kahit pobre tayo, as long as we have the advantage, the privilege of being healthy, health is wealth. Number 4, have faith in the company you're working with. Maraming nagbebenta ng food supplements. Ang daming fly-by-night company na nagbebenta. Marami ako nakikita sa Facebook. 100, napakamura. It's only sodium ascorbate. Walang zinc, wala lahat. But mind you, iba tayo. Hindi tayo nagyayabang. We are telling the truth. That you should be proud that you are carrying Immune with C, which is marketed by Ardure, because ang Ardure World Marketing has already a name in the industry. Being number 1 in perfume industry, MLM industry, kahit naman sa mga perfume na marami dyan nagbebenta ng mga perfume, hindi umaangat. But you are so proud, we are very proud that this is being carried by Ardure World Marketing. So when you market the product, make sure you are enthusiastic, make sure you are proud of your company, make sure that you are working with a company with all the necessary and legal papers, and that we are already known in the industry. A lot of proofs had given us proofs already. Okay? But when you do that, na proud tayo sa company, do it with calmness. Okay, you do it with enthusiasm, but do not be humbug. Ganito ang Ardure. Kasi when you overdo that, baka mamaya mainis yung customer. Say it humbly, calmly, that we are Ardure. May record na po ang Ardure. Ganito. So, that is being proud of our company. And true enough, we have all the reasons to be proud of our company. Express the product presentation with ease and comfort by being calm and enthusiastic of the benefits to your clients. So, diniscuss mo ang company mo, diniscuss mo ang effects ng produkto mo with ease and comfort and calmness. Karuro-respeto ka, kapani-paniwala ka, no reason the client will not buy. 6, when the client is already sold to the product, because we have a lot. How many benefits can we get from vitamin C? There are 13. Last was the cancer thing. You do not discuss it at one time. Pag binenta mo ang vitamin C sa client at sold out na, you stop there. Kasi, i-reserve mo an other benefits sa ibang okasyon kasi sigurado magre-repeat order niyan. Every time you see the client, another benefit ang ibibigay mo. Hindi mo ibubulto lahat ang benefit sa isang bagsakan. Okay? Yan ang tinatawag. Pag sold na, ma'am, this is a very good immune booster natin. At saka iba po ito sa ibang vitamin kasi meron itong zinc na magaling po ito sa anti-inflammation, lalo na sa kaso ngayon na may COVID tayo. Then sabihin mo na marami kang magiging advantage dito, but ito ang pinaka-number. You cite 2 or 3 advantage. Pag sold out na ang client, stop there. Do not oversell. Do not overkill. Yan ang tawag doon. Kasi baka ma-irritate lang. Now, the next time, another advantage na naman, ma'am, eto nga pala, may bagong advantage na naman ganito. So, every time you see the client, you have to offer new advantage. Kaya, bili din siya ng bili. Okay? 7, if the client mentions other products similar to your product, oh, gumagamit ako nito, ganito, binanggit ang produkto. Do not repeat the product name of what he had mentioned. Kasi yun ang mariretain sa utak niya. Ang sabihin mo, ma'am, the product you mentioned is very good. Ha? The product you mentioned is very good. However, this is what our company can offer. That is the time. Okay? That is the time that you can offer discount. How can you offer discount? You discuss about being a member. That they don't have to buy, they don't have to register, they just have to buy this one and this one so that they can enjoy the discount and the privileges. That is your time now to discuss about our business. Number 8, never put down or make any negative comment on the competitor's product. Alamin nyo ang mga kalaban natin. Kami nung araw sa drugs, isang antibiotic lang akin, ang kalaban namin 1,000. We have to study all the other 1,000 products. Ano ang pwedeng i-ano nila? Why the other products is better than yours? Do not focus on that. You focus on how or what benefit your product can serve our clients, and you always discuss our advantage over the other competitors. Like for example, there are so many vitamin C in the market. Ano bang advantage natin? We have a lot of advantage. The packaging, the price. I said the price, some may be cheaper, but why? Why is our price competitive? It is because we are having zinc in it. Zinc is an expensive product, and it is a very needed product. So, you only cite, never put down anybody's product. That is professionalism. Okay? Excuse me. Number 9. Our price. Our price is a little bit competitive with the rest. However, you can advertise on the packing, and most especially, you can also advertise on the company you're working with. Lalabanan ka na sa presyo. Ang ibang mga vitamin C, wala silang company, legitimate company that they're carrying. Lalabanan ka sa presyo, labanan natin sa packing. Ang packing natin ay parang stateside. Okay? And you can also discuss how refutable the company is. Number 10, never argue with the client. It can only create hostility. Handle objections very calmly, but expressing sincerely what our product can best offer. That is self-explanatory. Ano makukuha mo kung aawayin ng customer o kaya ma-irritate mo sila? You ride on. Sabi niya, I'm contented with this vitamin C that I'm taking. Yes, ma'am. The product you mentioned is good. Uyunan mo lang. And find a way na makakabig mo ang customer. Expand on the quality of our product. Expand on how refutable our company is. Okay. Number 11, sometimes it is not the product that matters, but the attitude of the marketer that a client is compelled to buy. Okay. Sometimes, hindi mo talaga kailangan ng produkto pero itong tao na ito, maayos mag-explain ng product, enthusiastic siya, tapos magaan ang aura mo sa kanya, na-establish niya ang rapport between you and her, kahit ayaw mong bumili, parang napapabili ka kasi ang attitude nitong client, ng marketer, ito is very good. It always happens to be, lagi ako nabibiktima niyan. Sa Watson, for example, I don't like to buy this product, pero pag ang sales lady ay maamo, magaling mag-entertain, that's the most important thing. Parang napapabili ka kahit you don't need the product. So the same thing with us. Remember, marami tayong kalaban. Okay? And dito, pwede natin i-insert, ha? So, it's the attitude of the marketer and pwede natin i-insert ang ating promos if there are promos. So, alam mo ang tao pag nakarinig ng promo, they're opted to buy. Or 12, if you have already developed loyal, faithful customers na pabalik-balik na bumibili sa ng vitamins, this is very important kasi ang vitamins, pag nagustuhan, balik-balik yan, pabalik-balik, bili ng bili yan. Why I can say this? Me and the president work in a vitamin company. The same old customers ang pabalik-balik bumibili. If you have already maintained loyal customers to you, once in a while, you try to call them. You call them not because you need sales. You just say, hello, how are you? I miss you. Yung mga ganon, but do it sincerely, hindi yung, oy, wala ka na bang vitamins dyan? O, ito meron na naman ako. No. You develop also friendship. Itong selling, it is synonymous to developing good relationship, good friendship. We are not just after money. We have to make the client feel that we are concerned of their health and at the same time, we really care about them. Okay? Remember, you can give them small tokens. Oy, yun ang pang ano ng customer. Oy, meron ako dito, may makeup ako. I-share ko sa'yo. Yung ganon. You're selling vitamins. Permanent customer mo, kumuha sa'yo, 10, ganito. Abay, bigyan mo naman siguro, may chocolate ka na konti, ibigay mo. Parang ma-feel na niya, ay, may friendship na talaga kami. Remember important dates of your available, lalo na kung birthday, greetings, kahit man lang text, oy, happy birthday dyan. These are very minute details, but it is very great to somebody who you have greeted, you have thought of, you have remembered of. A piece of cake, kahit isang empanada lang, o kahit isang, ano yung mango, ibibigay mo, ay, naalaala kita. So these things are contributory to friendship and valuable relationship. You will develop permanent customers in that. Number 14, when you have developed rapport, never destroy it. What do you mean by rapport? It is a confidence. It is a relationship that was built between you and the buyer. Hindi lang kayo naging business partner, naging friend kayo. Napaka-importante ang rapport. Ang rapport, diyan nagsisimula yung mga, mga personal things like, alam mo, birthday niya, ganito ang family affairs, ganon. So, kumbaga parang members ka na. If you have a lot of customers like that, malaki ang chances mo na marami kang customers lagi. Repeat orders ang kailangan. 15, since this is a food supplements, remember, we are dealing with food supplements. I will give you a very strong tip on this. Avoid using medical terms which you yourself cannot stand up on how to explain on it. Say, for example, dahil nabasa mo lang, ang vitamin ay ang Imukira, kasi yung Imukira natin is against, mga venous disorder, mga inflammations, ay nakakagamot yun sa mga atherosclerosis. Sabi ng client, ano yung atherosclerosis? Ewan ko, hindi ko alam yun. Gumamit ka ng mga nakaka-prevent yan ng mga cardiac arrest. Yung pala hindi mo talaga maintindihan ano ang cardiac arrest. Inaresto ka ba ng military dahil nahuli ka, wala kang quarantine pass? Yung mga ganun. So, we try to avoid medical terms unless otherwise we really can stand for it and we can explain properly. Okay? Now, in this, number 15, avoid using medical terms. And then also, when we are selling, this is the thing that dosages comes in. When we are selling vitamins, ito nabenta mo na. Please discuss the dosage very clearly. Okay. In the case of vitamin C, we knew for a fact that ascorbic acid is an irritant. It can cause heartburn, it can cause gastric irritation, it can cause nausea, vomiting, etc. Our sodium ascorbate is the milder form. It's still ascorbic acid, but it's the refined form. It's the bioavailable, meaning it is easily absorbed because it's alkaline by the body through bloodstream. Okay? In discussing the dosage, please listen to this. All stomach, all tummy, all gut are not the same. Each person is different from another person. We have all our idiosyncrasies. So, regarding the dosage scheme, it is like this. Ask your client, please. Kasi ang iba niya magtatanong, hindi ba ito makakakos ng gastric irritation? Ang tanong mo is this. Matanong kita, ma'am. Ikaw ba may sensitive tummy ka, sensitive gut? Madali ka bang ma-irritate ang ano mo kung may iniinom ka? Sabi na, oo, madali. So, give it 30 minutes after meals. Pag tinanong mo ang patient, hindi ba sensitive ang stomach mo, ang gut mo, gastrointestinal tract? Sabi, hindi naman. Then take it 30 minutes before meals. In general, in pharmaceutical advices, all medications are very effective if taken 30 minutes before a meal. That's the general information. However, there are individuals who really cannot take vitamins, medications before a meal because they will feel nauseated. Anong ibig sabihin na nauseated? Nasusuka. Sumasakit ang tiyan, hindi makahinga, nai-irritate it 30 minutes after meals. Yung hindi sensitive, pwede mag-take ng vitamin C 30 minutes before. Pero yung mga sensitive stomach, I'm one person who cannot take anything without food, so I have to take it after meals. So I'll make it very clear. It is before and after. May diferensya ba in efficacy? They're both effective. We are just trying to save the stomach or the gastric or the person from having gastrointestinal problem. And worst, if they're so sensitive, they can have vomiting, the feeling of nauseated and diarrhea. So we have to avoid that. Okay? Now, 17. In handling objections, say customers ask questions that you truly do not know the answer. Don't hesitate at that moment to admit that you do not know the answer. In my pharmaceutical days, remember we're talking to people who knows a lot about us, the doctors. And here comes we, drug agents, supervisors, managers, trying to educate the doctors because we are the one giving information to the doctors about the product. These doctors don't know about the product. We are there hired to tell the doctors to know about the product. And since doctors, they belong to medical allied profession and they know a lot better than us, would ask questions that at times, especially if you did not train, you cannot answer the question. Please do not be shy. Do not be ashamed to admit to them that you do not know the answer for the moment. Just say clearly, as of the moment, ma'am, sir, I honestly do not know the answer, but I will refer this to the office. The moment I get the right answer, I'll get back to you and will explain you and give you the most satisfying answer. In this aspect, you are creating a respect. You have created respect from the client. This guy is good. This guy is sincere. This guy is truthful, honest. So, instead of him being disappointed because you did not answer the question, you gain the respect because you told the truth. It is best to tell the truth than bluff your way. Kasi pag talikod mo sabihin, tanga pala nung nagbabluff ng way. What if the client is more intelligent? Nasira ang record. 18. Always create in the client's mind that you are there for them because you are concerned of your health, especially now. When you are dealing with vitamins, always make the client feel that you are concerned, that you are giving protection. Because everybody now is a candidate, lalo na kaming mga senior, na masyado kaming na-discriminate. Ikinulong, hindi ko alam ba't kinulong ako. Wala naman akong kasalanan sa gobyerno. Ikinulong kami ng grabe. So, assure them that you are giving protection to them. That you are concerned of their health. You are not there para pangwartan sila. Because instead of they become your client, maiinis sa'yo. So, make them feel that lahat tayo ibig mabuhay ng matagal. Because that is what we wanted. That is what we pray for. Okay? Number 19, practice courtesy and humility at all costs. The word please, excuse me, thank you, po, opo. Sa mga Bisaya, walang po at opo. We have to adapt a little, you know. Kasi it does not cost you anything pag sumabing, opo, po. Use courteous words so that the respect you showed to your clients will go back to you as well. Humility, courtesy. Practice that at all costs. You know what? In selling vitamins, emotional approach counts best. Pero pag nagyayabang ka, ang daming magbebenta dyan ibang vitamins. They would always choose. So tayo, total, ang ganda-ganda ng company natin. Hindi naman dapat ipagmayabang, but we are proud of it. Iba yung nagmayabang tayo ng company, iba yung nagiging proud lang tayo. Practice courtesy and humility. Number 20. Last but not the least, always ask guidance from above for every endeavor you're in. I read one of the passages of Director Ray Alvarado. In fact, I shared it. You can be successful not because of your skills, but because of the grace of God. This is very, very true. Our skills, our knowledge, everything that we have is from God. Never forget that. Before I close this, let me remind you this. It is not published there, but I can read this. The healthy lifestyle versus the holistic lifestyle. In the healthy lifestyle, we have 3 categories. The doctor, which we check on us. The medicines. The 3 to 4 times a day dosage. Okay? The holistic style, while in the healthy lifestyle, you have the doctor. In the holistic lifestyle, you have God. In the healthy lifestyle, you have medicines. In the holistic lifestyle, you have prayers. While you take your medicines 3 to 4 times a day, you can pray 3 to 4 times a day. Thank you very much for allowing me to talk. Thank you.